More and more lately, I've been getting some different emails from companies, and I don't always know if it's a scam or not, but I've kind of made a pact with myself to say, hey, what's the worst that could happen? But check out this product that this company just sent me, which is just kind of crazy to me. So today in the mail, I got the Alloyman 4x360 laser level, which I'm going to do a quick unboxing. And this is not going to be the final video. I want to do like an actual review once I've had some time to use it and let you guys know what I think. But check out what's inside this box. Let's get this cover off. Alloyman. Open it up like this. So, I mean, this is crazy. Take a look at all this stuff. So here's the actual laser itself. It says Alloyman on here. The bottom is metal, but it seems like a lot of the rest of the body is plastic. But you have the mount for the battery here. You have touch sensitive buttons. And of course the 360 laser levels. And it's green, so they're pretty, you can see them really well. You have an on and off switch here, which is cool. So you have your horizontal, your power button, and also it's the intensity of the light as well as vertical. You have a charger. You have 2 batteries, which is cool. There's a port here to charge the batteries. You have this really cool mount that you can put with these magnets on the side of, a piece of metal. And then of course you can use this to spin it around. It actually comes with a little controller, which is cool. Again, these buttons are the same of the ones that are on it. This is kind of nice. You have a target. I've seen guys that hang like drop ceiling. They'll use these to kind of get their target right. I'm sure there are a lot of other uses for this. You have this metal side bracket. This is cool. It's almost like a little platform. So I guess you can just make micro adjustments in changing the height of it, which is cool. Shows it in the little picture here. And then of course you have this little user manual. So I'm really excited. Thank you again, Alloyman, for sending this out to me. If you have any suggestions, I don't do a lot with laser levels. I actually just bought a very basic one, but this is like way over the top, which is awesome. And I think this was only like $100. I've seen some of these from other companies. Mainly, I think DeWalt is the popular one, but some of these go for like $400 or $500. So depending on how well this works, this might be a really, really good deal, especially with everything you get with it. So look for a review real soon, but this was just a quick unboxing. And yeah, thank you again for sending it out to me, and I hope you enjoy the video.